Hello folks, this is Untitled from inspiredtwice.com and today we're going to talk about the RealMe Buds Air. So these look like Apple AirPods a lot. And now let's first start with the unboxing for the same. This is the official box for the RealMe Buds Air, and now let's just open it up. Inside, the first thing that you will see is the charging case for this one. It's slightly flat on the top and bottom, and you can keep it flat on any surface. It's slightly difficult to pull it out from the case because of the thicker design. The surface is glossy, which slightly kills the handling, etc. But it's IPX2 rated, which means that it's sweat proof. It would be available in white, yellow and black colors. The white color looks like proper AirPods clone, and the white color also gets dirty easily, but the other colors not so much. There is an LED breathing light at the front of the case, and if I talk about what else do you get on the box, inside the box you also get a USB Type-C cable for charging this one, and apart from that you also get the documentation on the inside. Now let's talk a little bit more about the build and design. The AirPods have a slightly better fit, and I can't recommend these for gym sessions. At just 4 grams, they are really comfortable for long-term wearing sessions. And apart from that, these also have touch controls which are present on the head and not the stem. You can play pause music, accept calls, triple tap for any song change using these. It also comes with automatic play pause on removing the earbuds. Apart from that, I won't consider them as flawless as AirPods when it comes to this functionality. It uses Bluetooth 5.0, but you can only connect one device at a time, and Google FastPair support is also coming soon by January, so when you open the case it will go into pairing mode. It also has an R1 chip on the inside. AAC audio is supported on this one, but there is no aptX audio support, and I felt that the stereo separation also wasn't that great. If I talk about the audio quality, the high end on higher volume has some spikes, and there is no noise isolation because of the design. The mids also are slightly lacking, and I felt that the overall audio quality was definitely good enough for the price, but if I really talk about audiophile grade quality, that was not present on this device, and the Apple AirPods certainly have better audio when compared to these earbuds. There's also a low latency gaming mode, and if I talk about how to enable it, you have to long press on both the earbuds. There's a racing car sound prompt, and for exiting you have to long press it again till a piano sound is heard. It works great as advertised, and I found that the overall latency did reduce while gaming when using that specific mode. The bass is good and it has 12mm dynamic drivers. You can expect a battery life of around 3 hours 30 minutes with 40 to 50% volume. The gaming mode only affects the signal range and not the battery life. With the case, you can get around 17 hours of battery life. The case also comes with wireless charging support as well, and I found that the call quality is excellent, almost on par with AirPods. People who particularly like this style of design and who don't like in-ear style of design and don't want to spend around 11 to 12,000 rupees on Apple AirPods should definitely go for the RealMe Buds Air. If I talk about the pricing, it would retail for a price of 3,999. There are other better in-ear options for TWS, but if you like this kind of design, then definitely the RealMe Buds Air are the ones for you. So guys, this was it for this video. In case you like this one, don't forget to smash the thumbs up button and do subscribe to Inspired Twice for more awesome tech videos like this one. And guys, no matter what you do, stay inspired to rise.